Last weekend, I went to the Mennonite Relief Sale in Arthur, Illinois. They have a Friday night and all-day Saturday auction. They also have some great food, great bakery goods, and the world-famous Relief Sale donuts. I say world-famous because these doughy circles of delicious delights are sold out before 9 o'clock in the morning. I can tell you from personal experience, these are my favorite donuts. When I was leaving, there was an Amish man and a young Amish girl making jump rope out of red and blue nylon twine. It was fascinating to watch. The man took 2 strands of red and 2 strands of blue, looped it over a hook, and he did this on 3 hooks for a total of 12 strands. As he cranked counterclockwise, the gears rattled, and the rope shook and twisted into a symmetrical winding. The girl looped the 3 strands onto this wooden handle gadget and began to slide it to the right, forcing the 3 twisted strands into a single rope. They wrapped some electrical tape around each end, and in less than 60 seconds, a new jump rope was made. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty cool.